dance. Don't disrespect me and my mans. Bam, whole lot of choppers on your ass. Scram, we just putting dollars on your head. Snitching ass nigga gave his mama to the feds. Little brother, big brother, Sally got the dress. DZ, DT, Sally keep the bands.
Okay, so everybody was doing a challenge. I had to jump in on it too, but I'm really here to show you how to install RastAfri's Water Wave 16-inch curl. So I am rocking the color 1B. Love the texture. Here's a few things that you're going to need: a crochet needle, and of course, you loop it in with the hair into your braid base. To achieve this look, I used 8 packs. So super simple. You just loop it in, loop the hair through, and go to the next. The water wave texture is so natural. So once I loop mine in, I like pulling it apart for more body. Once again, you loop it in, pull through, and hook. Oh, and no worries, whether you're a beginner or master, this style is for anybody. If you're wanting that water wave body curl, this style is for you, girl. This could be styled into, of course, a crochet style, crochet braids, tree braids, goddess braids, passion twists, even ponytails. Get creative because the styles are endless. Now available at your local beauty supply store. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube for more videos like this.